Two premium aviation smartwatches, but one just took things to a whole new level. The Garmin D2 Mach 2 Pro is not just an upgrade, it's a smarter, more connected evolution of the Garmin D2 Mach 1 Pro. Now you're getting built-in microphone and speaker for voice commands and calls, a more refined performance platform, smoother UI, and improved aviation connectivity that makes real-world flying even more seamless. It still keeps that premium AMOLED display and powerful aviation tools, but now everything feels faster, smarter, and more complete. So the question is the Mach 2 Pro really worth upgrading to, or is the Mach 1 Pro still more than enough? In this video, I'll compare both watches in depth to help you decide which one you should actually buy.